Hello, financial fans. By Monday, Halloween will be past tense. It will have been a lot of fun, I'm sure, on October 31st of 2021. But we move on with a brand new week of trading, and as we wonder what should we be looking at to either buy or sell or hold. And I do hold on to stocks quite often for over a year. It's a way of getting a tax advantage when you're filling out your taxes. And if you have made some capital gains, but they took you more than a year to make, you will have a better tax liability. So let's look at some stocks here that might have a pretty good future for the rest of this year, the next few months, or maybe the next few years. We'll begin with Mattel, symbol MAT. Mattel makes toys, and Christmas season is coming up, holiday season, people giving gifts, and quite often they are toys. $21.81 was the closing price on Friday, but then it went down after hours to $21.78 per share for Mattel. The column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $13.40 was the low in the past 52 weeks, and $23.31 was the high, so it's very close to the high right now. And the average volume, about 3 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be near fair value by those who crunch the numbers. In the middle column, PE ratio, third item down, under 10, 9.35, I like that. And there's no dividend. The 1-year target for Mattel, $27 and a nickel, and that would be a nice move upwards if that does happen, if we happen to be holding on to it. Next, we look at Pinnacle West Capital Corporation. PNW is the symbol. The closing price on Friday is $64.49. Then it went up after hours to $65.25. The 52-week range, 2/3 of the way down the left-hand column, $64.44 was the low, so we are within a nickel of the low right now. And $91.88 was the high, so lots of headroom if it decides to turn around and go up instead of going down. Average volume, a little over 1 million shares trade every day, 1,200,000. And the experts who crunch the numbers consider this to be overvalued. They expect the price to go down more. The middle column, third item down, PE ratio 12.62, which is not too bad at all. The forward dividend and yield, 5%. That's what you get for holding on to it. So that might be a stock to buy and hold while you're waiting for something better to come along. 1-year target, $71.46. So again, that would be a nice move upward for anyone holding that stock. Next, another toy company, game company, and gaming company, and entertainment company, Hasbro, H-A-S-B-R-O Incorporated, symbol HAS, closed at $95.76 after hours, went up to $95.83. So it's going up after hours. 52-week range, $82 and a penny to $104.89, so it's nestled there somewhere about midway in between right now, price-wise. Average volume under 1 million shares. I prefer to have a volume of 1 million shares or more, and maybe as Christmas season, toy giving season approaches, the volume could go up. We don't know. The experts consider this one to be overvalued. They expect the price to go down. The PE ratio, third item down, middle column, 29.21. That's higher than I like. And the forward dividend and yield, 2.84%, about 3% is what you get for holding on to it. And the 1-year target is pretty nice, 115 and 31 cents. So that might be something to think about. And now here's one of my favorite stocks over the years. I've owned Intel many times. INTC is the symbol. It has a habit of reporting its earnings and somehow making people unhappy, and the stock drops down. And it did that about a year ago, and it's been staying down. It has not recovered yet, but I have hopes for Intel. It has good numbers. $49 the closing price on Friday, $49 after hours. The 52-week range, $44.24 to $68.49, so it is near the low. And the average volume, 23 million shares trade every day, and the experts consider this to be near fair value. The PE ratio, third item down, middle column, under 10, 9.5. That is nice. And the forward dividend and yield, 2.84%, about 3% is what you get for holding on to it. And Intel, of course, is in the chip business, and chips have been down lately. They're hard to find. Someday chips are going to be plentiful again, and Intel is going to be riding a wave of happiness as it makes people wealthier, I think. 1 year target estimate, $55.54. That would be nice. I would expect it to go a little higher than that even. And I thank you very much for watching.